pick it. Hey, I did not pick it. I pick it. Shaking my meal, I get it. Baby, I so swan, I pick it.
Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel.
Yeah, this is your boy Paul G. Welcome back on Talk 1 TV. Please, when you come to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, share, like, and comment. Dr. Kwame, despite, yeah, my father, do you see the brand new car she's bringing out? Expensive car. That car, if you come to Ghana, Dubai, UK, France, Morocco, Spain, nobody have that car except Despite. Kwame Despite. Dr. Kwame Despite. Only Dr. Kwame Despite have that car, expensive car, that's called Cytraco. I think so, yeah. I don't know the car name. The price is high. No, I'm dropping it down. New car. Na challenge where kwa kumenu na throwing. The whole Ghana oko bi o three saka ni bi first is kwa kumenu. Kuma would actor no. Kwa kumenu. Oni three can be first. Them na wo three can throw challenge man. Ghana ha. Mo amusi mo scam media houses and more companies na amusi mo scam. Won toka ni bi mbla Ghana ti mi toka we ba Ghana na je say we senior man. True, we doing some few minutes. Papa na drop a car no. Mommy and kwashe car na what the upper down. Let's go and want the car. When you come back, we will talk about it.
Yeah, Papa, Dr. Osei despite the latest Tesla cyber truck in town. Wait, the latest. Wait, be the Ghana how? Africa. Dubai back. Baba, blah blah blah. Man no day. Man no day. Who say man no day? Someone know. What do you say man no? Who say man no day? Who say man no day? John. What do you Baba,
into one challenge na Kwakumanu throw the challenge that Kwakumanu throw to the Ghana billionaires fine a champion. They are champion despite. They say Ghana will be an Oscar despite. If you come to Ghana, nobody have money than Dr. Kwame despite. Nobody. When his car was here, mommy, do you see the car? Car that Jimmy? Hey, bro. I said this is Talk 1 TV. When it comes to this show, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, share, like, for them comment, Obesa kana ko kani bi nso come to me. Na me fa unko na kwhwe kani bi. Series B baso live, sorry. Series B baso live. Ewo YouTube Talk 1 ya na ibe post video. Ya tuni din the Game Boys and krabi out and cranny a man mon tag movie mon former Cabeneza no mon supporting Ghana. I said when you come to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, share, like, follow and comment for me. You don't have so much time. Pa.